Hey guys, check it out, this Harbor Freight hitch hauler or cargo carrier hack. I put two cargo carriers together. Get you a full view. So as you can see, it's the aluminum one from Harbor Freight, and I took two of them. You can see where I actually bolted all the way down the seam. See all the bolt holes? Yeah. So I took two of them, bolted them together, one on this side, one on this side, and then I welded the 2x2 inch tubing. Welded it together at both ends to make one long section. Here's the front. And then I put this Stormore container on the top. It already had the rivets and the brackets right here all the way around, so I just took the original frame that sits above the top to hold the cargo in. I took that off and I just used the brackets to use, and the same hardware that comes with the cargo carrier, to fasten the Stormore box to the hitch hauler. And then once I got those two bolted together, you can see all the way down the tubing, the structure of the cargo carrier, where the two meet here. It just bolts in, and then I took the original bolts that go through this aluminum through the steel tubing and out the back, and you can see where it bolts up on the other side all the way along the center. Let me see, right here, all the way along the center of the tubing. And then I just put the cap back on here. So yeah, you can see it's just two hitch haulers bolted together from the top, and then these two you can make actually a bracket piece of angle iron here and here, and it will actually hold these together more. But this was actually enough. This is all I needed. And then I cut some of the frame that I ended up not using, and I put these lights on. And I took the reflectors off of the frame and I bolted them to my Stormore Easy container. And I bolted the container to the cargo carrier, the frame of the cargo carrier, with through bolts. 4 through bolts on the base of the cargo carrier. And I just hauled all my hunting gear, clays and then ammo, and during the hunting season I just throw all my decoys and my waders in there, and that way I can take all my gear down to the refuge while driving my Jeep. But this is pretty much what it is. Not much to it, just two hitch haulers together, bolted together all the way down one side, like this side, all the way down, but in the middle, two of them. And then I just strapped it down with the straps, these brackets. And then these are riveted in from the factory. I believe those are factory. And I have a plug for my receiver for the lights, and then here's the 2-inch tubing. Alright, hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.